iPhone was charging too much, so I had to do it myself. Those first pictures are actually a short snippet of how hard it was to get the back screen off. Your back screen of your iPhones are made of glass. Please be careful, because I did catch a lot of bruises from it. Also, this is very important as well. Your coil. I chipped at the middle part first, taking off the Apple logo. Wrong thing to do. Take off everything else around it, save the middle piece for the last, and you won't run into this problem. Because I had to take off the motherboard just to replace the wireless coil. As I mentioned before, my phone is now a completely empty shell because I made a mistake and took off the Apple label first on the back of my phone. When replacing the back screen of the phone, just remember, clear everything else out first, then the Apple logo later. If this was helpful to you, click the subscribe button.